It's not soup. No soup for you.
Oh, the soup.
Oh, you're spilling. Better be good.
Hey everyone, welcome to Hairmergencies, the part of the show where we answer all your hair dilemma questions and just your general questions about life. Whatever you've got, throw it our way.
We're here to help you with all your hair emergencies and help to prevent them in the first place. There's no problem too big or too small.
We have been in the industry for a very long time, and we all have disasters. We have them all the time. We're here to help you answer any questions, so please drop them in the comments.
We've got our first question here from Jack Mehoff. No, I'm just kidding. I love our fans.
Yeah.
Social media seems to be inevitable if you want to be a successful hairstylist. I'm a boomer. Jack, that's pretty, childish for Jack Mehoff if he's a boomer. I missed the boat. Please help. Where do I even start? If you're a boomer, Facebook. I think that's the right answer. I know people that, specifically one hairdresser that works with Goldwell and KMS, Sana Brano, that is 60, and she started her social media just like 2 years ago. She has 400,000 people following her now.
Oh, that's amazing.
So if you feel like you've got something to share, just like make videos, put them out there. Like don't overstress it, and I think it'll like happen naturally a little bit more.
I also think there's a lot of ways you can upskill. Like I did in COVID, actually, I did a whole bunch of social media courses online. So there's definitely ways if you're seeking out and you're asking questions, or even ask young people, ask Gen Zs to give you some guidelines. Maybe, I think it's just about not trying to be anything but yourself, but then at least try and figure out how the system works.
Yeah. I also think too, if you stress too much about it, it doesn't become about, like you veer away from who you are. So I feel like if you're going to put something meaningful to you, someone else is going to watch it and be like, oh, I get that. Like, it's not going to be for everybody. And I think if you want to please everyone, you please no one.
Yeah, if you're like older, like if you're a boomer or whatever, and you're watching social media and you feel like none of it is for you, then there's a space for you to fill.
Yeah.
Like think the fact that you're on there means that a bunch of other people your age are on there too.
Watch something.
100%.
And you can create content for boomers if you want.
Okay. I live in a small town, and there is not that many resources in terms of educating myself further. How can I level up my hairdressing skills? So honestly, there's so many online education.
We've got the perfect show for you.
Perfect show for you.
Let me tell you. The answer is right underneath your nose, buddy.
So that's a good start. And then I think there's so many platforms. Like I actually personally have a few subscriptions, just also social media. If you're following people that are doing cool things, and obviously in-person education is amazing. So maybe once a year, you give yourself the present of maybe going on a holiday and then attending some courses somewhere could be nice, but online education is amazing.
I depend on my colour company, like Goldwell, a lot as well. So if there's something that I want to learn specifically, I actually ask them as well. Like, yes, there's online, but if you're not really into online, you want more personable education, then I think that's important for your colour company to come to you and provide those services, or just move cities.
Yeah, move. Your city is trash.
Move towns. Thank you. Why do you give me the long ones?
You look like a reader.
Oh, yeah, because I have glasses.
Nerd.
Customer care is such an important aspect of our job, but after running my little business for a few years now, I kind of get too comfortable with doing the minimum. Do you have any tips and inspirations how I can show up even better for my clients? Yes. Don't burn out. That's a big one. I feel like hairdressers sometimes feel like they have like, not a God complex, but it's kind of like they want to say yes to everything and they want to, you know, tick all the boxes and make everybody happy, and it's literally just not doable. You know, if you have to do less clients, you know, you've got a lot more time to the service better, the clients that you have sitting in your chair.
Let's face it, we need to order stock, we need to be a receptionist, you have to be a psychologist, you have to, you know, manage a team sometimes. So I think that helps. And then maybe sometimes adding someone to your team that could help you if that is a possibility.
Even remembering just like the little things, like making sure you take care of all the details is big. You don't always have to go like above and beyond and do this big, you know, crazy show in the salon for somebody, but even just like dotting your I's, crossing your T's, all the little details, the fine details of the salon, like being taken care of, it being clean, it being stocked, you being on time, like that is stuff that people remember. You don't see like crazy positive reviews being like, they went above and beyond, they did all these cool things, but you do see a negative review for like, they were out of toilet paper, they were 20 minutes late all the time. Like just making sure all the little things happen, I think is a great way to just like level up. If you have any questions or want to share your hair dilemma, just leave it in the comments below.
Believe it or not, we love a good hair disaster. So we're happy here to help. We're here to help. So please share with us in the comments. Stop it.
They're like, no.
I thought we wanted to finish at 6, no?
Well done, guys.
Yeah.